Hi everyone, my name is Augustine and I'm here demoing this project on behalf of team CACK-pass. CACK-pass is an event ticketing platform that is built with the blockchain technology currently deployed under Lisk mainnet. So let's get started. I want to start. I click on my login button. So the login brings me here. Let me use my email. Submit. So I can also use my Gmail. I can also use my Twitter handle. So once you click on it, you will get this confirmation code. So let me rush to my email and see, yes, the confirmation code just came in. So let me copy the confirmation code, go back and run it. Beautiful. So because I'm a first time user, I will be asked if I'm an event organizer. I have to select yes, select the country I'm coming from, put my phone number, and then these details are actually necessary so that after a user logs in, the team, can be able to use both your phone number and email to get in contact with you subsequently. So the first thing is maybe you can check on existing events. When you click on event, you will see we have a whole lineup of events, about 8 events, 8 events currently. So you click on the dashboard again. We have a quick action button which I will explain later on. But the first thing is to create a ticket. Since I'm an event organizer, I can create a ticket, and we did this in such a way that creating ticket requires no fund, so you can easily create tickets and then you don't need to even have a fund to create tickets. So let's get started. So we have the dark and the light theme which you can choose from here. So let me say beauty, let me say beauty, Abuja beauty pageant, Abuja beauty pageant 2026. Okay, so it's taking place on this. The first one is the month. Let me use in April 3. Yeah, so that is where the event. Okay, April 3 to April 4. So we are starting on 10 a.m. and ends 8 p.m. the following day. So beauty pageant, let's call it it's under festivals and fair. So it's an in-person event. So if it is a Zoom event, once I click on it, it gives me a different ID. If it's Google Meet, if it's a YouTube, give me the Twitch link, custom link. So that is how it's been designed, Google Meet. But an in-person makes me choose where is it actually happening. We say it's happening in a hotel. So address of the hotel. We say it's a Cycle Round Hotel, Gariki, Abuja. Okay, Gariki. Okay, Abuja comes down here. Nigeria. So you can now see the location preview. Then event, beauty pageant for ladies from 16 to 22 years. Okay, it's a paid event. So I'm going to the ticket price. I'm using a very small amount, 0.3, or let me use 0.1 rather, 0.01 is a test. So admission type can show is a VIP and unlimited seat. I click here to make it limited or unlimited. So if it is limited, I need like 200 persons. So let me pick the picture and see beauty pageant. Okay, now I create the event. So all of these tasks start happening in the background, pushing it to IPFS, and then creating your on-chain identity, creating the event. After creating the event, it creates the tickets and make them available on chain. So this is all what we shall be gaining. Now at the end of the day, you've seen the link to access the event will be given to you. So as you can copy this link and go to your WhatsApp, to your WhatsApp, go to your Telegram, go to your Instagram, and immediately paste it. So let's locate what we've just done. Beauty pageant, you can see it here now. Festival and Fairs beauty pageant, we've seen it here now. So this is what we've just created. So let's see if someone can actually get this ticket. So clicking on get ticket, you can now see, because your balance is 0, you will be unable to get the ticket because your balance is 0. So you'll be unable to get the ticket. So I will log in with an account that has money in it, so that we can spend live money. So let me go back. Okay, let me just simply log out and continue the rest with my other account. All right, now I've logged out. Okay, so let me log in again. Now I'm not going to use my email. Let me use my Google account. So this Google account has actually funds in it. So it checks and locks me successfully. So I go to events. So when I get to events, I can see events now, free and paid event. So maybe I can decide to, let me get this ticket, foodie. You can now see the event is telling me available ticket. So purchase ticket. So I click here, the amount you want, you click on it. If you want more than one, you can do that, but for demo I'm going to use one. Purchase ticket, and this modal form comes in. I am paying from my wallet. We are still waiting for KYC so that this paystack can fully become functional. That is why we say coming soon for paystack, so that you can pay in Naira, pay with your bank transfer, pay with USSD, and even with your debit or credit card. So but let's continue from wallet. Now this one is currently functional. Confirm to pay. So successfully purchased ticket. So you can see the ticket, you can see it at the top here. This account already have 3 tickets already, plus this new one, it becomes 4. You can see foodie. Okay, let's see if we can purchase another ticket, or let's purchase a free ticket rather. Go to events and see one of the free tickets here. This is Leadership Summit National. Okay, Afro. Let's go to Afro. Is a free ticket, so let's get for Afro. So Afro, you can see get free ticket. Click on getting free ticket. So that are the free tickets. It is sent to your free ticket are sent to your email. So check your inbox. So your free ticket has been minted to your email. But that of the paid ticket, you can see the evidence from your app, because So this is what we've created. So let's go to the dashboard and explain some other here. We've seen my tickets, my ticket list, all the tickets that you've purchased. So events, my event, create tickets. So my event is this event you've created. You can create your ticket. Fund wallet, fund wallet, yes, this is where you see how much you already have. So in the fund wallet, you can send, if you have money, you can send to an account, to a friend through here. Click on send. This is the amount you want to send and the receiver's recipient address. Once these two criteria are satisfied, your send button becomes active, so you can now send. So but we also have receive. So for a new person, you can give somebody this wallet address, embedded wallet address, to send funds to you, or you can buy with your debit, credit card, or cash bank transfer directly from Ramp Now. These two on-ramp providers are from LISC portal. They are verified LISC um, they are verified LISC partners. So and they support LISC USDC, so you can use them to fund your wallet, or you can send from an external wallet to your address. Scan this QR code and that is it. That is for the receive fund. Then we also have update your profile. So this is a place where you can update other portions of your profile. Remember, when you were creating, you only added email and phone number, but there are more to it. All right, so you can give other information, get a name you want, whatever name, or then you can fill in some of this, your bio, your interest. You can see music, tech is the interest. This has already been filled. Your date of birth. This can be done later on, so it's optional but necessary to have a good account. Then we also have transfer ticket. So you can transfer a ticket, a paid ticket right now, to any user. So this is where you click on transfer and then transfer the ticket to a paid user. Number of tickets transferred, none. So because we've not transferred any ticket, you are not going to see anyone here. So finally is the transaction history. So the transaction history carries all the histories. You can see all the purchases we've made on the platform. They are all here. That is what the transaction history does for us. Then we can also do setting. So this is the setting of the general app, where you can set your whatever picture or image you want, the appearance you like, email, push notification, ticket updates. If you need all of this, to function. So these are things you can do on your own from the setting. Email preference, and this is what we've already done. Let's go back to dashboard. So with this, it's very easy to access any part. Once you're in the dashboard environment, the quick action gives us all the tools we have. From here, I can access anywhere I want in the app. So that is what we've built. Thank you for this demo, and remain blessed. So I have to log out and stop the video.